What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we picked up our Road King, got that thing back to the house, got all the damaged parts off of that thing, and got it looking normal again. Not only that, man, we got that thing running, so on and so forth, man. It's time to get that paint set down to Antonio. But first, man, you guys already know we got to keep this show on the road. Not only that, man, our garage is getting a little bit freaking compact really quick. So the next best thing is to find some land and possibly build like a garage on top of that. So with that being said, man, we are out here literally in the middle of nowhere. You guys see I'm surrounded by trees. I'm literally in the boonies right now, dog. We're actually looking at an acre right now. Yes, it's pretty wooded, but the price point isn't that bad, and it's not in the flood zone. It's not too far from my crib. So I'm thinking if we like do some excavation and all that good stuff with these trees and all that back here, we may be able to get something going. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win a big 22, man, you guys know I'm giving away my 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2022 Road Glide special. Yes, man, the bike in the truck, the bike will be on back of the truck when you get that thing. That's just first place, man. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with a build 124 on there. Third place, we got our 2018 Street Glide special with all everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular supporter patch because all the hats are already sold out. Meanwhile, trying to see what's up with this property. The realtor said you can just go check it out on your own and let me know what you think. I mean, we're here pretty foresty, man, back here, pretty foresty. And you guys see like across the street, we got like another neighbor with toilets and stuff all out front. So we're definitely in the country here. But I think I actually brought the drone so we can probably hop that thing up and see what it looks like over top, man. So we'll just see real quick. Alrighty, guys, next property here. This one is a little bit under, maybe I believe under a half acre, but it's cleared out. I'm not gonna step on the property, but it's got a house on it already. Probably literally would just change the whole thing to make it one big garage, everything regular garage. It's already fenced off and everything, so it'll be pretty easy. So the acre property we was just looking at is probably like a little bit less than half. Not half, but a little bit less than this one. So you guys just see it will probably be a little bit better by being that everything is already here and on the property. But like I said, this house in particular is in a flood zone. They said it flooded Hurricane Harvey. It flooded the whole bottom. So I guess that's why you guys see the bottom half of the house right there with like stuff on the paint. But they said the second storm didn't flood it. So I don't know, but for the price, it seems like it's a pretty good deal. Then again, man, I'm not trying to get washed away. So you guys see the house is back here on stilts and everything. So we may have to level it out or bring it up a little bit more. I don't know, but it's definitely something that's pretty fair and decent right next to the freeway. So we'll see what's good. We'll see what's good. Got a haircut and all that. Now we at the next property. Now this one, of course, is a lot smaller than the other ones, but it's already got like a miniature garage back there and some more stuff. Let's check it out. So I don't want to get on the property, but we can at least see it. It's got a mobile home or whatever that is on the property, which will be gone as well. But that garage back there will stay, that metal garage, and then it already has a nice paved driveway here. So we can put like a privacy gate. We can put like a privacy gate up here across the front. But definitely something to think about. I like the space. It's not that big, but it's not that small. And it's pretty much closer to the city. So I don't know. We'll see what's up, but y'all see what it is, man. Alrighty, guys. Now that we seen a couple properties and all that, it's funny. Last night I was in a truck and a freaking mosquito was in here. It kind of got me, and I tried to smack the mosquito and ended up breaking my dang glasses, man. So welcome on to the channel, new glasses. It's time to see a bunch of new people. But furthermore, man, we got our new glasses on, feeling good. We got a nice cut, man. But our guys over at Extreme Off-Road just hit us up, said the vet was done with the headers and stuff, and I feel like we just dropped that thing off. So that's perfect. It's just in time for the weekend, man. So I'm actually about to go pick that thing, go home, get dressed, and hit the streets, man. We gonna see what's good, but I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go up here and check out this ride, man. I hope that thing go vroom vroom on a zoom zoom. But you know what is going on, man. You know what time it is. It's time to go up, dog. Today I don't bring my camera. We get to get some action, man. My guy Adrian is in the house with us today, man. Y'all see what's going on. We just threw the headers and exhaust and everything on the Corvette, man. They got it shined up for us. It's looking good. We got the truck in the background, man. Y'all see what it is. Adrian, do the honors for us, man.
Oh man, you know I got to
do the honors for us, man. They get that joint cracked. And with the little ooze in the eye. You know, with the ooze in the eyes on that joint, man. Y'all see it here first. This thing sound good.
Ain't fast in yours, but you got that loud exhaust. This one's just a no. I'm not trying to make it sound like it's got a lot of power.
Right.
More than yours, but I want it to sound like it should sound.
Right, no, for sure. Oh, down. We got the Big Daddy headers in there.
Big Daddy headers in there.
Yes, sir. Y'all see
this ain't just a pop-on exhaust system.
It ain't the pop-on, Daddy.
It ain't the pop-on, bro. This had to be worked on.
This the full Daddy. Yo, in here, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm excited now, man. It's a movie.
That's what's up.
It's a movie, man. You see, I had to go home and get redressed and everything to fit the occasion, man.
Let me just hear it again.
Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. That thing sound crazy. Yeah, that thing sound nuts. It really sound good. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, it definitely sound good, man. I like it.
Put it in sport mode. The valves open up a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, it sound cool. It definitely sound cool, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. This thing is sounding freaking nice. I can dig it. I can definitely dig it, man. And it's shined up. Alrighty. So you guys seen yesterday, we dropped our truck off at Extreme Off-Road. However, we are back in the garage today. I'm gonna be taking the parts off of these bikes, getting them ready, because at the end of the weekend, we're pretty much gonna be heading out of here, heading back to the West Coast. Meanwhile, we did pick up our Corvette yesterday. This thing is sounding lovely now. I haven't heard it with a cold start with you guys just yet. But I got in here pretty early, wiped team down, got her looking all good, so on and so forth. And we're gonna get this first startup for you guys, man. So let's check it out and see what's good. Let's see if we can get some action on up in this jump, baby. Yes, sir. That thing definitely sound crazy, man. Them freaking headers and exhaust sounds amazing. Now, when I first picked it up yesterday, I wasn't really hearing it and digging it like I am now. Like last night, I got a chance to drive it and everything, and literally this thing sounds amazing. I'll take you guys on a ride here shortly, but that thing is cleaned up. All our bikes are in the garage ready to go, looking for some property, man, trying to figure out what we want to do. I actually think I'm going to start up one of these bikes for you because I haven't started up either one for you. So you guys know these are the giveaway daddies. And I started this one lastly for you guys, but I haven't started this one. Let's see if it fires up. That could be you. That could be you. That thing is sounding amazing. I ain't gonna hold you. It ain't gonna hold you, man. I love starting that thing up. That cold start is something ridiculous. Let's see if we can get a cold start on him. Let's see. That thing nasty, dog. What the song say? Nasty, dog. Time, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. We got 3 Rumble in the Jungles, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com because I'm giving away not only all 3 of these bikes, first, second, and third place, but first place will be with my 2022 F350 dually truck, man. So this bike will be on the back of that truck when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with the Build 124 on there. Then we got our 2018 Street Glide Special coming in at third place, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular supporter patch, and you can literally be riding off with one of these Harleys, man. You guys see how they sound. They're freaking beasts. It's ready for one of y'all to attack. Man, you guys know what it is. I appreciate you guys tuning in, but it's time to get this day started and reset and see what's good, man. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, I'm actually about to pull out all these bikes, man. Just clean up the garage a little bit. Just get it looking a little bit better, but we can pull them out real quick. I can't wait. Let's see. And yes, it was a task pulling all this out. Now, of course, I think I want to pull out the Road King just for video purposes, but y'all see what it is. Got them all pulled out. Whichever flavor you want, man. It's time to go up. We're going to start these things up in a sec, but I'm actually about to go live with y'all, man. We're going to check it out. Next morning here, guys. So it's time to start getting ready for this LA trip and whatnot. And I want to get both of the Road Kings situated, man. So I'm going to be pulling off the lowers for these, gas tank, side covers on this bike. And then I'll be pulling out the rear fender bags and everything, just getting it all organized and ready to go. Meanwhile, this Road King over here will be pulling off our gas tank and our rear fender along with the side covers as well. So that's pretty cool. Meanwhile, we should be able to get all that stuff completed, just get it all lined up and ready to go, get painted along with the front end and everything, man. So let's see what we can get done this morning. Alrighty, guys, we got all the parts off that we need to take to get painted. So this one is pretty much done, and we'll be sitting like this until we come back with the paint set, so on and so forth. Now I got to get the parts organized because I got the whole front end inside as well. So we'll be pulling out all that stuff, just getting it all situated and ready to go. Meanwhile, this one we have to take off the fork legs, take off the sliders right here, and then gas tank, side covers, and cooler cover, man. So not that bad, honestly. Should be pretty quick, but we will get it done, man. Stay tuned. And just like that, guys, we got everything off of both Road Kings that need to be painted and or changed out. So this one, of course, we're going to be getting exhaust and all that good stuff after we get it looking pretty again. But also this one is already stripped down. Everything is ready to go on this one. So that brings us to one pile. Now this is our chrome pile for that bike. We have our gas tank side covers, fork sliders, our cooler cover right there. We have a set of bags here, We have the rear fender, which is the CVO style rear fender there, and then we have a wraparound fender right here. And then for that bike there, we got our rear fender side covers, trim, sliders, gas tank, bags, front fender here, and then if we go inside over yonder, we actually got our crash bars for both bikes right here. And then if we slide these out the way, we have a nacelle for one bike here, literally the whole front end right there. And then we have the front end for the other bike there, man. So we'll be taking both of these to get painted as well, along with 2 new helmets. So both helmets will be painted the same as the bike. Can't wait for that. We're pretty much all together, ready to go. So we're going to be figuring out how to pack this stuff up in the truck and figuring it out. But y'all see it here first, man. All the bikes is ready to go. By the time we come back, man, this garage be having a whole lot more eye candy to it, man. I can't wait. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. And just like that, guys, we got all the bikes back in here organized up. We got our paint sets ready to go. Now, I think I might have one more surprise, but you guys might get that in a couple days or so. So, with that being said, man, that's probably going to be a wrap for today, man. So, alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. You guys caught the video today where we pretty much went to go check out some property, some land, and all that stuff, man. You guys know. And as you guys see, rather, my garage is getting littler by the day, man. So, we're trying to find something a lot bigger, and then something that we can just put some more stuff on there, man. So we're land hunting still. We think we might have found something, but we just don't know yet, man. We'll wait till the survey comes back, and we'll pick up after that. But meanwhile, man, we also got our Road King situated. We got one Road King done over there, one Road King stripped down over there. So both of those bikes are getting ready to head to paint. So I can't wait to get those things back and see what they're looking like. Provide some more eye candy to this garage, because this thing is going to look so freaking sick, man. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the big 22, you guys know I'm giving away my 2022 F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our 2022 Road Glide special back there. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2020 Road Glide with the Built 124 on there. And third place, we got our 2018 Street Glide special, that is, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you an Everything Regular supporter patch. Or we just added some new I ain't gonna hold you patches, so you guys don't have to get the same thing twice, and we can hurry up and sell out, man. So if you guys want a chance at winning the big 22, man, just for supporting your boy, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a patch, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win. We might still have some time left on the half off sale, man. So if you guys seeing this right now, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now to see if you caught the sale or not, man. But meanwhile, we will be going live soon whenever these things sell out, man. So with that being said, we got the bikes in here situated, ready to go. It's Sunday fun day here, man. So I'm about to get in the house, get ready to go up, and we'll figure it out. Meanwhile, we got our Corvette parts that we need to find a spot for now, man. So you guys let me know what you think about the new headers and exhaust on the Corvette, as well as what colors you think we're gonna do on this Road King, man. With that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, man, please do so right now, man. It's free and easy to do. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.